All right, he's barely moving again. Oh, there he is. He's going way too slow. Hey, Grandpa. I thought I told you to get on the gas a little bit.
I'm just breaking in.
You ain't breaking in, you're just idling along. I ain't breaking it. You got to put a load on the motor to break it in. You can't just idle around.
That's right.
Okay, go out a little bit faster this time. Put a little load on it. I don't hear no exhaust noise anywhere. Yeah, about 3 times faster. Full of gas, get on the gas like that. I want to hear this like this going down the road. Okay, go back around the block, come back to park. Go around, yeah, hurry up.
Don't do it.
There we go. Hey, he turned the gas on finally. I heard him breaking idle finally. I don't know which exhaust to hear go up side street, but I don't think it was his. Alright, he'll be back around again. I don't see how you don't want to ride around the block and put some mileage on like you're supposed to. It's hard to run. Hard to run. Yeah, feel how hot it is? I'm way back here, it's hot. Too much heat. Hard to run. How's the clutch working?
Everything's good. It just got to get past 2,000, then it start catching up.
Gotta get past 5 grand, then it runs good.
Runs really strong, no leaks. Has a great pool.
Not leaking over there anymore? Cylinder quit leaking?
No, they're leaking. I see it over here. It's dripping over here.
Where's it leaking?
On both.
Seepage in the back there.
You got some around here too.
I got from you on a dipstick. It's moist over here, but make sure the lifter blocks aren't leaking. The shred covers. Man, those things are hot. Thing's hot.
Still breaking in though.
Way hot.
Nice and strong though.
All right. Well, now we gotta let it cool off for a while. Now it's really hot. Oh yeah. It's tinkling and it's so hot. We got a good breeze out here, so that's good. Don't baby it.
He's sock number, so you said go down about.
Go all the way down to the 15 and come back. Just get on the side street where the stop signs are at. Just accelerate, decelerate. Turn the damn throttle on finally. Learn how to ride. Alright, hopefully you'll get on the Harley now. Alright, what happened that time? You rode harder at least, taking off.
Actually, the second time around,
Get on harder further where I couldn't hear you?
everything getting
Were you jamming the throttle on finally?
jammed the throttle, got fast response.
Good.
The bike was running really, really powerful. It's a night and day difference
Why?
from all the work that Tatro did.
Oh, bullshit.
And stay tuned. If y'all got any 103s and want
What's
to
your oil?
see me, come on.
What's your oil? You ready to put some oil in now? Or what are you going to do?
Yeah.
I'd rather keep the oil a little bit low in the tank, put it in your saddlebag, and then when you get up to, you're going to ride this in LA or drive? When you get up there, then see if you need to put oil in it.
Okay.
That way you got a little extra venting room in the tank so you don't blow oil out of the bike or anything.
Okay.
Because you're still breaking the rings in and all that shit.
Okay. So just cruise up there doing about 60?
No, baby the damn thing. Just don't leave it at one steady speed.
Okay.
All right, so we're about done on this for now, I guess.
Yeah, and it has a kicker.
Yep, it's got a kicker on it.
Tatro,
What?
I put that last board in.
Good. All right, well, have fun on the bike. Keep that temperature down on it.
Where you want me to put the funnel?
Let's sit on there, it'll be fine. We gotta push this truck back before you guys blow out of here, though.
Let's cruise. Let's do it. How far back you want it, Tatro?
All the way back. We gotta figure out where we're gonna put this thing right now. He's looking the bike over right now, so give me a minute.
What year is this thing?
73. Another project. All right, we're gonna move this truck back.